Hello then, welcome my dear friends. Today we are talking on the grateful unboxing and first start of my supercomputer. This video is different. This is the last step of manifestation. The moment when we receive the tangible thing in our hands and we can see it with our eyes and play with it and work with it. We spent so many videos where we talked on how to manifest from the very first step to the following steps, and why not including the last step, the physical receiving step. This means in this video you won't learn how to manifest. We already made this before. Now this is more for distraction, for entertainment. I share my satisfaction when something physically comes into my hands. So you can enjoy with me. Just see it as an entertainment. And as so many people don't do it, I do it for you. And believe me, this took long to manifest. Not because of the money, but because of the circumstances. Because sometimes we have the money, but the thing is not there. And then it takes practicing in the manifestation. Keep on preparing the manifestation until the moment of reception comes. And this package consists of 4 items. And the first item is already unpacked, a hard drive, because as I bought my Galaxy 23 Ultra and my Galaxy 23 Plus, I needed a drive to get all the data from my older phone on separate drive. So the unboxing continues with my second item, a multi-adapter. I need this to multiply my in and outputs for my supercomputer. Some people, they want a bigger car, a better house. So many people have so many dreams. I just wanted a supercomputer, my perfect computer, because I wanted a better machine, a tool to edit my YouTube videos for you in a quicker and faster way. I wanted a power computer. And not just a machine that is a little better. No, I wanted a real power computer. And I found my power computer. This is a 4K computer, not a 4K video, a 4K dollars machine. What fulfills all the specs that I'm looking for. And this video, I won't pray all the specs up and down. When we need something, we already know what we want. I don't have to repeat this. So many people, when they make their unboxing, they repeat stuff that we don't want to listen. We know this stuff. I think we're not here to multiply all the specs up and down. No. So let's come to the multi-adapter. And there are a lot of adapters out there. But this can handle 100 watts. This is what we need. This is what I need. Yes. And here it is. Come out of the box. And that's it. Beautiful. I like it. Okay, let's go to the next item, to the third item. This is my internal SSD drive. 2 terabyte, very fast, super fast. We can even make an installment of this in another video, but let's open it. Nothing special, but when we make an unboxing, so we have to share all this stuff. This is so tiny, but super powerful. Quickly, that's it. We can make the update in another video. Okay, good. Now we come to the biggest part. I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. So let's use a camera directed to the table. I think it's better to open it here. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate the moment when you really can touch what you are wishing for. And then just another paper. Ah, looks good. Let me get this out of the box. Okay. A lot of paper. Plastic away. And it is, as I wrote in the title, grateful unboxing and first start of my dream computer. Okay. Okay. This is power. This is a power book. This is really a power book. What I wanted so much. And it took quite a bit of work. Not just physical work, but also mental work and waiting. But when we come to the end, I always call it the survival character. Make it until they don't give up. Come to the end. Okay. This is what we need later. It's getting smaller and smaller. Here. Ta-ta-ta-tam. And there we have it. What do we need more? What do I need more? I think I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied. Just another paper. And ready. This is what I need to make good videos for you, to edit them fast with good options. Believe me. Cool. Let's come to the moment. Press the start button and wait. Press more. Press more. It won't start. It doesn't start. Probably I have to get rid of this. This small thing. Might be this is the key. Let's see. First start is delayed. Do I have to plug it in? Just a moment. So let's put more power in the power computer. And again. Aha. He was empty. Okay, I didn't charge it up yet. So I think when your computer that you just bought doesn't work, put in the cable and wait to get the battery filled up. Ah, it's turning there. Okay. And even in this moment, when we are skeptic, we have to wait a little. Nothing works as we think it works. Always something changes. I waited so long that this will come up in my hands. So I think this moment now is not a big problem. So as we are here in Germany, let's use Germany. This is okay. Yeah. This means yes. We can make it later. Yes, let's use the Wi-Fi network. I can understand this. Make a reboot. Oh, I'm so excited. I want to see the final desktop in front of me. I waited so long. Do we agree to the license? For sure. We have no other chance. There are a lot of things to confirm until the machine finally runs. And now we are done. Okay. This was the grateful unboxing and first start and installation. I'm impressed. It's the way as I imagined this. And believe me, this video that I'm recording right now will be edited already with this computer. Just downloading the editor and installing this mouse here fits good, and then we're good to go. Thank you so much that you didn't leave me alone when I was celebrating my unboxing of my new power computer that I use as a tool to produce more and better videos for you. So it's time to end this video, and meanwhile, as I'm editing this video, you can enjoy all my other videos here on my channel.